2 or 3 bad brakes. And what we're finding too is that it's created a whole new philosophy in how they inspect the trucks. They used to inspect them by just measuring the rod travel on the air brake, and here's the software is able to, or the camera is able to see stuff inside the brakes that the human eye can't see. So we're having to sort all that out now because it's seeing what a mechanic would see when they take it apart, and so it's seeing a lot more than the officers are used to. So we're having to resend them back to training. They're all going to go back to 8 hours of training on brakes because of this. So it's pretty revolutionary.
So how many trucks usually have bad brakes?
7%.
7%?
Oh, I actually 1 out of 7. I think that's about 7%.
Oh, it's 15.
15. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, the studies that they've done where they've actually, not with my camera, but when they actually physically stopped all the trucks and checked them, it's 1 in 7 according to the federal records. They put them out of service. So it's a lot. Brakes are one of the biggest problems.
So they're supposed to check them, to change them here?
Sometimes, depending on how bad they are. If they only have 1 bad brake, they'll tell them to get it fixed and maybe give them a warning. If they have 2 bad brakes, then they may put them out of service. There's a formula that it depends on how many axles they have. So the more axles they have, they can have 1 or 2 bad brakes. If they only have a couple axles, then they can't have any. So it just depends on the vehicle. I don't know all the specifications. The federal transportation tells them what they can do.